Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about how to fix is damaged and can't be opened and you should move it to the trash error. So if you're getting this type of error in your applications, this is the first thing you should do. So here, all you have to do is open up terminal. So go ahead and open up terminal. Once you have done that right here, you'll just have to place this command right here and press enter. Then it's gonna ask you for your password, of course. Enter your password. It's gonna basically disable the security in your actual MacBooks. So here, the second terminal code is gonna be here. So it's called XATTR, and then so let's just place that right here, and then place CR, and then whatever type of actual application that has the problem. So let's just say it's Parallels Desktop. You drag that into this. So first you'll have to place a space bar right there, and then drag the application right here, and then press enter. Then it's gonna be basically reset, and it's gonna actually be fixed. So once it's done, once you enter Parallels again right there, it's not gonna say that message anymore, and it's all fixed. I will leave all of these commands in the comment section below for you to use.